Welcome back to our channel. This summer, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe will arrive in the United States. In this video showcases the 2025 Mercedes S Class AMG's high-end technical features and takes a close look at the vehicle. We delve into the features that distinguish this vehicle from the rest in the high-end car industry. Justification for the revolutionary nature of the 2025 Mercedes S Class Coupe among luxury automobiles. No matter where it goes, people will notice its streamlined design. Keep watching as we go deep into this beauty, showcasing her impeccable taste and exquisite craftsmanship. A drift mode will be available as an add-on for the high-end Mercedes Coupe. A 3.0-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder engine, which is mildly hybrid, powers the CLE 53 Coupe. Numerous modes allow drivers to personalize their driving experience. The 2024 Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe joins the ranks of the CLE Coupes offered by Mercedes Benz in the United States. 5 months after the new model was introduced for international markets, it is now being launched locally. We don't currently have local pricing information, but the car is expected to reach American showrooms this summer. The CLE 53 Coupe, similar to other Mercedes-AMG vehicles with the 53-foot badge, will sit between the base model and the soon-to-be-released CLE 63. A 3.0-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder engine, a 48-volt powertrain, and an integrated starter generator all work together to propel the vehicle. At lower speeds, this little electric motor assists the engine and generates 23 horsepower and 151 Nm of torque. In contrast, the engine can generate 443 horsepower and 413 Nm of torque, or 443 Nm of torque with the 10-second overboost mode engaged. The base price of a 2024 Mercedes CLE Coupe is $56,500, which is $7,500 more than the base price of a C-Class Coupe. Along with the engine, the 4MATIC Plus fully variable all-wheel drive system transfers power to all 4 wheels through an AMG SpeedShift TCT 9G transmission. One such device is active rear axle steering, which can reverse the direction of travel of the back wheels at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour and 2.5 degrees, and turn them in the same direction at speeds of up to 0.7 degrees higher. The CLE 53 Coupe may look like a regular old AMG, but there are a plethora of driving modes to choose from. Take the 5-mode AMG Dynamic Select system for instance. It has 3 ESC and all-wheel drive settings in addition to the Sport Plus and individual modes. Depending on the mode of operation, AMG engineers have also created 3 distinct steering weights. Thanks for watching.